Hello, my name is Iwan Hiraethog and Croeso Gymru. Welcome to Wales. Welcome, thanks for joining me. This channel is called Wales, What's in a Name? And I've decided to set it up because of my background really. I'm walking along a mountain now where I was born more decades ago than I would care to remember. And we're here on the highlands of the county of Clwyd, and behind my shoulder over there, my grandfather's farm. And when I was born, Mum and Dad spoke Welsh, mine and Tide spoke Welsh, the postman spoke Welsh, the teacher spoke Welsh, and shopkeeper, everybody spoke Welsh. So I was probably, I would think, about 6 maybe before I could speak English, any English at all. So my whole world was in Welsh. Now, we the Welsh, we like to name everything. Everything gets a name. Every mountain, every river, every lake, every tree, every stone. If you stand around long enough, we'll give you a name. Now, of course, when I was growing up, all those names were Welsh, and I knew exactly what they meant and where they were. Now, as the decades have gone by, those names are slowly disappearing. Now, we've either forgotten the meaning of them, we don't know what they mean, or in many cases they've been anglicised. Often because the Welsh word possibly a little bit too hard to say for some people. Now, one of those reasons, I guess, is that so many of our places begin with F, and there's no F in English. So Llanfairfechan, Llangollen, Llanllechid, Llanuwchlyn, and of course Llanfair, Pwllgwyngyll, Gogerich, Chwynrobwyll, Llandeisilio, Gogogoch. And those are difficult to say. So the point of this channel really is to reconnect with the old names. So what do they mean? What's the meaning of them? What's the history behind them? Because a lot of these names, they do one of two things. They either describe the location or they give a history behind the name. And that's what I'm going to look at. So I'm going to take my little patch of North Wales, travel around, look at the names, look at what they mean. Now, if you're a Welsh learner, it may help you. So I'll give you a little help with how to say the names. You may just be interested in local history. Great stuff. If you're already a Welsh speaker, you might be a bit like me and forgotten what these things mean. So it might help you and encourage you to use them more and to spread the name. Anyway, we're going to be visiting castles, lakes, rivers, mountains, towns and villages, and we'll find out about Wales. What's in the name? So I'd love it if you join me. Press like, subscribe, and the bell button would be good. And join me for the next episode when we'll be looking more at this mountain, Iwan Hiraethog.